So, hello everyone. I'm Catherine Lavinisha, and today I will show you how to install a driver in your PC or laptop. So, first is we should go to Google and search for our desired driver. So, the driver that I choose is Dental Driver and Support Assistance. So, yeah, that's it. Then we just download it. So let's download now. So it's downloading. Let's wait for it to fully downloaded. So let's click it. So after you download it, then let's install it. Install. So we should wait for it to fully installed. So installation complete. Then let's launch it. So here it is. So scanning our system. As you can see, it's now fully installed. So this driver helped me to see what um, available updates that should I download. So yeah, it already seen all my available updates. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.